One of the biggest challenges new parents face is getting their baby to sleep through the night. There are effective strategies to help your baby sleep soundly throughout the night. Babies thrive on routine, and a consistent bedtime ritual helps signal to your baby that it's time to wind down for the night. A calming routine could include activities like a warm bath. By repeating the same steps each night, your baby will start to associate these activities with sleep, making it easier for them to settle in for the night. A peaceful, comfortable sleep environment can significantly impact your baby's ability to sleep through the night. Keep the room cool, dark, and quiet. Use soft, breathable bedding and a firm mattress in the crib. A sleep sound machine helps your baby sleep by providing calming white noise or soothing sounds to block out disturbances. The Magic Team Sleep Sound Machine helps your baby sleep by providing calming white noise and soothing sounds that mask disturbances. With 40 sound options and adjustable volume, it creates a peaceful environment. The sleep timer and memory function ensure consistent settings for restful nights. A hungry baby is more likely to wake up in the middle of the night. Ensure your baby is fed right before bedtime, so they are not waking up out of hunger. Depending on your baby's age, consider offering a final nighttime feeding to help them sleep longer stretches. A full tummy can help them stay asleep through the night. If your baby still needs nighttime feedings, keep them as calm and quiet as possible. Avoid turning on bright lights or engaging in stimulating conversation. Keep the room dimly lit and focus on feeding your baby in a peaceful, soothing manner. The less stimulation during nighttime feedings, the easier it will be for your baby to go back to sleep afterward. One key to helping your baby sleep through the night is teaching them how to fall asleep on their own. When putting your baby to bed, aim to lay them down while they are drowsy but still awake. This allows them to learn how to self-soothe and drift off to sleep without needing to be rocked or fed to sleep. Over time, this will help them sleep more independently. With persistence and care, both you and your baby will enjoy more restful nights.